everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I have a really cute little card to share with you today, and this is using some new product from the Occasions catalog. So I'm going to show you how we did today's card. My card base today is in Whisper White, and I have this cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and this is going to be scored at 5 1/2. The Designer Series paper I'm using today is called Myths and Magic Designer Series paper. This paper, you guys, is beautiful. It's got like a raised with glitter. There's some glitter on here. Very pretty. Now I'm very sorry I didn't buy the stamp set and coordinating dies, which I will be doing, I'm sure, on my next order. So this piece I have cut at 2 inches by 4 1/4, and if you look at it, it's got little glitter balls. So cute. And I'm actually just going to punch out one of these little mermaids. And the punch that I'm using is my 2 1/2 inch circle punch. And I'm just going to put it in there and punch out one of these little mermaids. I am also using, for my stamp set today, I'm using the Picture Perfect Birthday, happiest of birthdays to you. I went ahead and I pre-cut out a scalloped circle from the layering circles, and this is in Melon Mambo, and I'm going to layer the two together using my multi-purpose glue. I'm going to attach this to my card. I've got my Memento ink, and I'm just going to ink up my stamp, happiest of birthdays to you. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I am now going to attach this to my card, like so. Such a fun little card, you guys. Perfect for if you got little children or youngsters. I have, so the layering circle size that I used is like the 3-inch circle, so 3 by 3 obviously, so the 3-inch circle. I am using Tutti Frutti adhesive backed rhinestones, excuse me, and I'm just going to randomly add 3 of these in one of the corners. Super cute. Oops. Love how today's card turned out. And I hope you enjoyed today's card. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.